Ever wonder why yawning is contagious? It all starts with our brain. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons activate. These neurons make you feel their tiredness. But why do we yawn in the first place? It's not just about being sleepy. Yawning helps cool your brain, and it increases alertness. But here's the twist. Not everyone yawns. Some studies suggest empathy plays a role. The more empathetic you are, the more likely you yawn. But what if you don't yawn? It might be linked to your brain chemistry. Dopamine levels could be a factor. So, yawning is a social and biological phenomenon. It's fascinating how our bodies communicate. So, next time you yawn, remember, it's more than just tiredness. And it's perfectly normal. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.